Jamaat-e-Islami Hind strongly condemns uh, the military coup in Egypt. A democratically elected government, the President Mohammad Morsi, has been dethroned by the military force. This is clear murder of democracy in Egypt. Jamaat-e-Islami Hind appeals to the people of Egypt that they should support the pro-democratic forces in Egypt and restore democracy and restore the dethroned democratically elected President Mohammad Morsi. The recent developments in Egypt in which violence is taking place and the military and the police are blindly firing on the pro-democracy demonstrators. Particularly today morning, after Fajr prayer, the military and police fired in the mosque and more than 500 people were injured and around 40 people have died. Jamaat-e-Islami Hind fully with the people who are striving for democracy, and we appeal to the military that they should not take the violence, the way of violence, and they should not unnecessarily shed the blood of innocent Egyptian people who are peacefully demonstrating for restoring the democracy. We pray for the martyrs who have been martyred in the way of this struggle, in which more than 40 people died this morning, and earlier also. We pray for the martyrs who has been martyred brutally by the military forces in Egypt, and we condole them and we pray that may Allah give them best place in the heaven for this sacrifice. We are also of the opinion that the sacrifice which Egyptian people are ready to give for democracy is appreciable. We appeal to the world community that they should force the military government in Egypt to restore democratically elected President Mohammad Morsi, and we appeal that the world community should support the democracy and the people who are trying to restore democracy. In Egypt, after 65 years, the democracy was restored and the election took place. And Jamaat-e-Islami is also of the opinion that this is a conspiracy against the Egyptian people, that a military rule has been imposed upon them in place of a democratically elected government. We appeal to our Indian government also that they should use their office to restore democracy in the Egypt with which we have very good relations, and the democratically elected president and democratically elected government of Mohammad Morsi should be restored. We condemn the conspiracy of United States of America and Israeli forces, which were from the day one when this elected government came into power. They were trying to dethrone this government, and now it has become very clear that United States of America and Israel, they are not pro-democratic, they are anti-democratic, and particularly when people who are not fulfilling their benefits or who are not supporting them or people who are elected who are not liked by the US government, the United States government, they try to dethrone them by such means. So we appeal to the Egyptian people that they should restore peace and they should restore democracy, and the pro-democracy demonstrations should be peaceful, and the military forces also should not use force to crush the voice for the democracy and voice for the justice. We pray that the situation in Egypt be normal as soon as possible, and we pray for those who are injured, we pray for those who are martyred in this struggle.